Well, final numbers show in 2019, Wisconsin lost nearly 2.5 dairy farms a day. But local farm leaders say there is reason for optimism in 2020.
According to the National Farmers Union, Wisconsin lost 773 dairy herds in 2019, 100 more than in 2018. But two key events have the potential to reshape the landscape for farmers: the passage of the USMCA agreement and the announcement that in 2 weeks the president will sign phase 1 of a trade deal between the U.S. and China. Ed Gorell, district director for the Wisconsin Farmers Union, believes the dairy industry has struggled because consumer demand dropped. But he says locally that may be changing.
What I'm seeing more in the Eau Claire market here is seeing a lot of people who want to actually know who their farmer is and where their produce and products are coming from. So that's where I think young people are going to be able to form a niche in the agricultural market, is being more locally involved.
Gorell says another reason for optimism is that milk prices in January are higher than this time last year, beginning the year at $16.90 per hundredweight. But Gorell adds that they need more consumers involved in ag issues to see real long-term stability in the farming industry.